In this video, you're going to learn a few things that you need to do some basic welding. Some of the few basic tools you're going to need. A few of the basic clothing requirements is you're going to need some gloves, thick heavy duty ones, going to burn your fingers, welding cap, chipping hammer with a wire brush on the other side, pair of vice grip pliers, regular pliers, some whelpers, a tip cleaner for the torch, another pair of vice grip pliers, striker, some soapstone, earplugs, tape measure. Now you could also have a combination square. Safety glasses are a must, better put those on. And a welding helmet. These are the basic things you're going to need for welding. This right here is a self-darkening one. It's a nicer model. You want something like that, you're going to pay around $250 for it. For all these tools, you might have around $300 invested. Not that expensive, but well worth it. You're also going to want steel-toe boots. Always wear long pants. And a leather welding coat.